Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the CINAC Red Team Pathways, a fantastic program for cybersecurity professionals looking to join the CINAC Red Team. Let's get started. First, let's talk about CINAC and what it stands for. CINAC is a leader in crowdsourced security testing, aiming to make the digital world a safer place. They achieve this by bringing together a global network of highly skilled ethical hackers known as the CINAC Red Team, or SRT. So, what exactly are the CINAC Red Team pathways? Essentially, they are structured paths that guide cybersecurity professionals through the certifications and skills needed to join the SRT. There are two main types of pathways: priority pathways and preferred pathways. Let's start with priority pathways. These are the most recommended routes, focusing on industry-recognized certifications. Some key organizations offering these certifications include Hack the Box, Offensive Security, Portswigger, and SANS. For instance, offensive security certifications like OSCP, Offensive Security Certified Professional, and OSWE, Offensive Security Web Expert, are highly valued. Similarly, the Burp Suite Certified Practitioner from Portswigger is crucial for web application security. Next, let's discuss the preferred pathways. While still important, these are additional certifications that complement your cybersecurity skills. They come from organizations like APISec University, Black Hat, Crest, and TCM Security. Some examples include the API Security Certified Professional from APISec University and the Crest Registered Penetration Tester. These certifications further enhance your credibility and expertise. Now, what's the onboarding process like for the CINAC Red Team? There are several steps to ensure only the best join the team. First, there's a resume review where your qualifications and experience are assessed. Next, the waitlist review, followed by a technical review to evaluate your practical skills. Then you'll have a personal interview and undergo background and ID verification. Finally, there's platform training to get you up to speed with CINAC's tools and processes. Joining the CINAC Red Team comes with numerous benefits. You'll be part of a global network of top-tier security researchers, have access to challenging and rewarding projects, and contribute to making the digital world more secure. Now, let's dive deeper into the specific requirements and experiences that can help you join the CINAC Red Team. To apply, you must pass an ID and background check and cannot be a resident of a country against which the U.S. has issued sanctions. Priority experience includes industry certifications from pathways such as Hack the Box and Offensive Security. Diversity is highly valued, and the Artemis Red Team subcommunity supports women, trans, non-binary, and gender minorities. Applicants are encouraged to share publicly verifiable certifications, presentations, CVEs, and social profiles. You should highlight your penetration testing specialties, whether web, host, mobile, or headless API. Experience with other bug bounty platforms is also beneficial. Now I'm going to share my experience. After resume selection, you will be assigned different machines on the Hack the Box platform, depending on the path you have chosen, such as web, mobile, or network assessment. You have to gain root access on each one to capture the flag. After obtaining these flags, you will move on to the next process. Then the next processes will be simpler. You just have to wait patiently and wait for their emails to get updates. But how are you going to prepare yourself? Let's explore some key resources. Getting started with Hack the Box. Hack the Box is an online platform that provides a wide range of challenges designed to enhance your penetration testing skills. Start by solving the starting point machines to get a grasp of basic techniques. Progress to the more advanced active machines, which simulate real-world scenarios. Participate in Hack the Box's Capture the Flag CTF events to test your skills against other cybersecurity enthusiasts. Consistently practicing on Hack the Box will help you build a strong foundation in cybersecurity. Mastering web application security with Portswigger. Portswigger offers the Web Security Academy, a free online learning platform that covers various aspects of web application security. It provides hands-on labs and real-world scenarios to practice exploiting common web vulnerabilities, such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and cross-site request forgery, CSRF. Utilizing Burp Suite, Portswigger's flagship product, you can effectively scan and exploit these vulnerabilities in a controlled environment, thereby gaining practical experience and deepening your understanding of web security. Exploring TryHackMe. TryHackMe is another excellent platform for learning cybersecurity. It offers guided, interactive labs on a wide range of topics, from beginner to advanced levels. Start with the Intro to Cybersecurity path if you're new to the field, and gradually progress to more challenging rooms, such as offensive pen testing and red teaming. TryHackMe also features a community of learners and professionals, providing a collaborative learning environment where you can share insights and solve problems together. Practicing on VulnHub machines. VulnHub provides a collection of vulnerable virtual machines designed to be exploited. These machines are great for offline practice and help you simulate real-world attack scenarios in a safe environment. Download a VM, load it into your virtualization software, and start attacking. VulnHub's machines cover a wide range of vulnerabilities and difficulty levels, making it a valuable resource for continuous learning and skill enhancement in penetration testing. Familiarizing yourself with key cybersecurity concepts. In addition to hands-on practice, it's crucial to understand fundamental cybersecurity concepts and terminologies. Familiarize yourself with terms such as buffer overflow, privilege escalation, and network sniffing. Follow cybersecurity news and trends to stay updated on the latest threats and defense mechanisms. Engaging in forums, joining cybersecurity groups on platforms like LinkedIn, and participating in discussions will also help reinforce your knowledge and keep you informed about industry developments. To learn more and apply, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on cybersecurity careers and certifications.